Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Open kitchen designs with integrated living rooms have become a hallmark of modern interior architecture. This innovative approach to home design is all about breaking down barriers and creating a harmonious, multifunctional space where cooking, dining, and relaxation seamlessly coexist. Let's explore the captivating world of open kitchen design with living rooms. At the core of this concept is the idea of an unobstructed flow. Walls that traditionally separated the kitchen from the living room are replaced with an open floor plan, allowing for an expansive, light-filled area that encourages interaction and connection. The removal of physical barriers fosters a sense of spaciousness and unity. One of the key advantages of an open kitchen design is the enhanced social aspect. The cook is no longer isolated in the kitchen but can actively participate in conversations, watch over children, or entertain guests while preparing meals. This dynamic and inclusive environment brings family and friends closer together. The design elements in open kitchen and living room spaces are carefully orchestrated to ensure cohesion. A consistent color palette and shared materials create a sense of unity, while distinct zones are defined through the thoughtful placement of furniture and decor. For instance, a cozy living area may feature a sectional sofa and coffee table, while the kitchen area boasts an island or peninsula with bar seating. Natural light plays a pivotal role in these designs. Large windows and glass doors allow ample daylight to flood the space, creating an inviting and cheerful atmosphere. This openness to natural elements blurs the line between indoors and outdoors, particularly in homes with access to gardens, patios, or terraces. The open kitchen design encourages creativity in interior styling. Homeowners can personalize their spaces to reflect their unique tastes and lifestyles. From minimalist and sleek to cozy and rustic, the possibilities are endless. Elements like pendant lighting, area rugs, and artwork can be used to delineate different functional areas within the open space. However, it's essential to remember that open kitchen designs also come with challenges. Noise management and maintaining a clean, clutter-free look are important considerations. Effective storage solutions, like concealed cabinets and built-in shelving, are vital for keeping the space organized and visually appealing. In summary, open kitchen design with a living room is a contemporary approach that embraces fluidity, connection, and modern living. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes social interaction, inclusivity, and the celebration of space. These spaces offer a refreshing departure from the traditional home layout, creating an environment where family and friends can gather, cook, dine, and relax in a seamless and harmonious setting.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!